Hi guys. So today we are playing Don't Press the Button and today I have my friend Aaron. I don't like this music. Aaron, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Somebody pressed it. So as you can see, we're not on the same server, so I have to join her server because I wasn't on her server. Did something happen?
Yes, I died.
You? Oh no! I'm Sonic. Never mind. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Stop moving, Blacker. Stop. I have a speed coil so I can be faster than you. Yeah, I got a speed coil. I was playing this earlier today. And I got ticks. Nobody beats the ticks. Whoa. Don't press the button. No. The safe word is to stay on the edge. That's how you do it. Ticks everywhere. Ticks. Oh, that's actually Roblox. So, since we're playing Don't Press the Button, you see my avatar looks like a basic Betty.
Now that's a victory royale.
So, let me explain. I used to have Roblox. I really did. But I was good on Blackbird and skip passes. So I didn't have enough time to get my money. And what happened was that I just couldn't. I didn't have enough money to get a outfit. Same that probably happened with her. Get that teddy bear away from me. Stop it, Aaron.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael.
Nobody cares.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's a banana next to a banana. Obby that I'm not so good at. I did this today and I died. I haven't died yet. And I died. Why would I die?
I love you.
We're about to have the same thing.
Spending time with you. Let's be friends. I love you.
Where is it? Don't worry about that, honey.
Slap, slap, slap.
Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, clap, clap. Nobody cares about Baldy. She's not even that scary. Oh. Come and get me, Baldy. I shall press the button.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
There's a banana next to a banana. I pressed the button. No. 20. I got 10 coins. You have more coins than me. The tornado got me right away. When it spawned, I died. That was not fair. I will. Ugh. Oh, I died. I died. This is my worst nightmare because you made me down this one. Like, seriously. You deserve it. You killed me. Okay, I'm so I am not going to stop. Yeah, I survived. I just go read it. Seriously. I found it. And lava again. Worst nightmare. This obby is so hard. Why did I have to die? Why? Why did I have to die? Why couldn't you die? Hopefully. This whoopee cushion doesn't do anything good. Oh. These people are so... I pressed it. It's the same one. Ooh! Why did I have to be fat? Why?
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
This is exactly why I don't stand in the middle. The button is bad luck. Get in the picture. Hurry up.
Just stand next to each other.
Oh, they sound cute. Yeah. That's my hand. Look at me. I'm holding my hand up to the camera.
Now that's a victory royale.
Why does she sound like that? Oh, that's so funny. That was so funny. It said, I'm firing my laser. And you didn't move, you just stood there. I'm almost there. I made it. I'm the only one who made it. I'm not a pleb. I'm not a pleb anymore like people think I am. I'm not a pleb. I I shall never be a pleb again. This is the one I can't do for some reason. Come on, get up there. It keeps pushing me. They keep pushing me. Am I the only one that didn't survive?
I need a hug.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get on the platform. You died again. Oh, what? Oh, I'm so fast. I'm so fast. Why? Why did it have to be? I'm speedier than you. You gotta stay near the button or you're gonna fall. Yep, because you're on the edge. Push the bomb off. Push the bomb off. Push it. Yay. What is it? Oh, I prepare to die. Black or pink. Hi. What you get? She killed me. I don't like her. Ticks, 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 ticks.
I need a hug. I love you, my friend.
Nobody wants it.
Will you be my friend?
I got it right. It was 2.
Will you be my friend?
Woo! I got it. I have so much more diamonds than you. The button. Where was it? Oh, sure. Why? I don't like this one. Even though I always win this one. Like, not always, but sometimes I always win this one. I just don't like it. Somebody died because they jumped off the cliff on purpose. Where was it? Come back. Yay! Table flipping time. Yeah. That's what you get. That's what you freaking get. That's what you get. Why you do that? You knocked me. Go, black or pink. Give them a black eye. I'm Sonic. Some brick. I'm just running. I got it. Got it. I pressed it. Green. We could have been on the button. No. It was 1. All of us died except for her. Hopefully it's slap, clap.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's a banana next to a banana. Because I was next to the button and I pressed it. I have a speed coil, so okay. Well, Aaron's gone now, so I'll call you guys later. Well, I'll see you guys later. On the next video, tell me what game you would like to do next. Especially if it's a game I haven't played before. So, I would like you to like this video and follow us. For people who are watching this and don't have this game, please download it right now. Bye!